Hey folks, how many times you struggle with JavaScript performance and maybe you don't know where is the problem or how you can fix it? So today I want to start a new journey to help you to understand the common mistake in the JavaScript performance environment and how you can prevent them or fix them. So don't waste time and let's jump in it. I want to start with the scope problem. So how many times you create a function and inside of this function you create a class, for instance. In this example, I try to replicate the problem. So I create a function called makesHello that accepts a name. And inside of this function, I already created the class, the hello class that has a constructor that accept the name, and this name become the property of the class, and also I declared a sayHello method that return the string hello plus the name. The last but not least, the makesHello function return a new instance of this class, and with the name passed in the function as first parameter. Now I want to show you which is the problem of this implementation. For this example, I use the performance class in the perf hooks library to get the time of the execution of the code. You can use the performance class using two markers, start and end, for instance, one before the execution and one after, and then you can put a name, in this case the scope in my case, and then you can get the data from the performance. So you can get from the get entries by name your measure, and then you can print the measure in your log or wherever you want. In this case I use the console log to print the result. Okay, it's time to run the code. As you can notice, the result of the execution is 14 seconds. It's a huge time for a user, and probably this creates a bad user experience for your user in your application. So now it's time to see how we can prevent this performance issue in your application and how we can make our application faster function. During the execution of this code, JavaScript has to recreate the hello class every time you call the makesHello function, and this takes a lot of time every time you call the makesHello. And in this case, if you call the makesHello function 1 billion of time, probably you understand there is a huge time lose to recreate this class. To fix the problem, we can simply move the class from makesHello function to the outside, and now we can call again the code to see the result. I go in the terminal and type node source/scope.js and press enter. Whoa! The duration time is completely different. 40 milliseconds. It's a completely different time respect of the previous example, and just move the declaration of the class outside of the function. Come on, guy, it's incredible. Yes, I emphasize a bit the scope problem in this example because I iterate over 1 billion element, but I suppose now you have understand the problem of the scope class inside of the function in your JavaScript code and how this problem can produce JavaScript performance issue in your application. So now please keep attention if you declare class inside of your function, because this approach can create a performance issue in your application. Okay, I suppose now you have understand the scope problem to prevent JavaScript performance issue. and the benefit of declare your JavaScript class outside of the function. So I hope you enjoy this content, and if you like it, please hit the like button below. And if you wanna stay updated with my content, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you and see you soon. Bye bye.